Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to exchange the TOTS icon points in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by open the TOTS event first, and you can jump into the TOTS icons chapter. So in this TOTS icons, all you have to do is collect this icons token by playing icons tournament. You can start match, start versus attack, or start head to head and claim 20 tokens every day. And you can spend the token, claim the player in here. So there are total 3 players, icons player here that you can open. I already opened the name one by one, Yanra Savi, and I want to open this guy. So but I don't have a 225 points here. I only have 215. So all I have to do is open the store and go to the FC points and jump to the exchange. And as you can see, this one, the icons point. So you can exchange your icons point with one icons token. So you need to exchange with 4 pass point to get one icon token. Let's try. So I have 39. So let's see. I only can exchange 9 icons token right now. So all you have to do is just tap this pass point and you can get icons token. So please free to try like this. I want to exchange 5. Tap to open, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.